Good morning, friends. Happy Friday to all of you. Many Democrats in Congress are upset at Republicans for not agreeing to pass President Biden's new social spending plan. There is actually still billions of dollars in stimulus relief funds available to be claimed right now. So in today's video, I will be going over how you can claim this extra financial aid. Dear friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. And friends, I'll be announcing a winner in a video later today, so please stay tuned.
And he and Joe are just pushing to see a large chunk of that money land right here in the Rochester area. So, Joe, thank you as well for being the great congressman you are. Now, we all know that Rochester has always been known for eye-catching industries, like photographs and more. But now, Corning, see, Wendell knows laughing at my jokes. Even when they're not that good, he laughs. But now Corning is boosting the greater Rochester area to new heights as the preeminent world leader, not just national leader, but world leader in optics and photonics. And let me tell you, the eyes of the world are now in Monroe County in upstate New York as the next global tech leader. Here in the Rochester Finger Lakes area, we have nearly 150 high-tech optics companies that employ about 17,000 workers. It's going up today. The number isn't shrinking, it's growing. Our great research institutions, the U of R, RIT, MCC, the Rochester Laser Lab, are pumping out workers in these fields, and we need more of these workers, Why? Because jobs like this, optic jobs, are like the hot dogs Rochester ate on July 4th. They are white hot. Only skilled optic technicians can make these unique products and the equipment made here in the Finger Lakes, and it's going to fill critical gaps in our supply chain. And what you're doing here brings manufacturing back to the United States because what you make is...
Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell is facing widespread criticism for his recent assertion that the so-called labor shortage in the United States is the result of the stimulus relief plan that was approved by President Biden in March 2021. During a recent event in Kentucky, Mitch McConnell said that direct aid sent out to American taxpayers over the past 2 years has been holding people back from working. But Senate Democrat Elizabeth Warren condemned Mitch McConnell's statement on Twitter. Senator Elizabeth Warren stated, "Mitch McConnell's blaming Americans for not wanting to work. It's absurdly out of touch. More workers have jobs now than pre-crisis. Investing in affordable childcare would help parents return to work. But Republicans refuse to support actual solutions." Although the stimulus checks and expanded child tax credit did help decrease financial hardship and poverty immediately after they were sent out, the effects of the aid only lasted so long. And as of last month, 39% of Americans said that it's difficult for them to afford regular expenses like bills, rent, or groceries. That is up nearly 50% from last spring. For years now, Mitch McConnell and other Republicans have been moaning that the stimulus payments suppress employment. But analysis of the financial aid programs that Congress implemented for the crisis show that these claims are simply not true. In fact, the extra financial aid may have helped people get back into the job market earlier than they would have, as the money helped many Americans pay for childcare, as well as expensive measures that make it easier to get a job, like education, certifications, relocation, and more. Last year, economists found that employment recovery slowed down in states that ended the crisis-era expanded unemployment insurance checks early, in comparison to states that continued giving the checks out. So, dear friends, do you agree with Mitch McConnell's statement? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. I know that many of you are wondering if you are currently owed any more stimulus money from the past rounds of stimulus checks. Well, friends, some Americans might not even be aware that they are still due another stimulus payment. Americans who qualify for these stimulus payments get the maximum amount only if their income is $75,000 or below. This also applies for couples who earn $150,000 a year. If you earn more than that, the $1,400 check will begin to decrease, and the income for families is capped out at $80,000 for singles and $160,000 for couples. The Internal Revenue Service issued more than $175 million worth of stimulus checks in the third round. Even though these third-round stimulus payments were given to many Americans, there are still some who did not receive them. A total of 645,000 Americans missed out on these checks since the middle of September 2021. This includes a number of individuals who missed a notification for their payments. So if you did not receive all 3 rounds of stimulus checks, but were eligible, you may be able to still claim this check. According to tax experts, anyone who had a child in 2021 is eligible, so you should definitely claim the recovery rebate credit. Also, a grandparent can claim a grandchild or another relative as a new dependent on their 2021 tax return. They would also be able to claim the rebate. Friends, the keyword for this video is Fargo, North Dakota. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Fargo, North Dakota, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. And remember, dear friends, that the more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. Starting earlier this year, the IRS began sending out information via letter 6475. The letter, which the agency did send out last year, provides details about the total round you received in the third round of stimulus payments in 2021 and includes all payments, even if they were issued at separate times. So friends, I suggest that you make sure that you have claimed all stimulus money that you are eligible for. Well, my fabulous and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate every single one of you who are watching my videos daily. Remember, friends, I will be announcing today's winner in a video later today, so please stay tuned for that video. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Friday.